hello, how to solve n power 3 equals 27. Solving for all values of n that satisfies this equation. So I have n power 3 equals 27. I can express it as 3 to the power of 3. So right now, if you have n power c equals b power c, since the exponents are the same, that means you can equate the basis. You can have a equals b. So we can also say that n equals 3 is one of the solutions. But we have some other complex solutions right here that we are going to solve for. So to achieve that, of n power 3 equals 27, that is 3 power 3. I move this over here. Of n power 3 minus 3 power 3, and this equals 0. Now we need to expand this. So if you have a power 3 minus b power 3 equals a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b power 2, and my a is n and b is 3. So let me substitute it right here. Of n minus 3 times n squared plus n times 3 plus 3 power 2 equals 0. So from here, we have n minus 3 times n squared plus 3n plus 9 equals 0. So from here, we equate each of these to 0. Of n minus 3 equals 0. Of n squared plus 3n plus 9 equals 0. So we are going to solve each of these equations. We start with the first one here. We have n equals 3. Moving this over here. And we consider this. We make use of the formula method. We have n equals negative p plus or minus square root of p squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2 times a. So we have a equals 1, which is the equation of n squared. b equals 3, which is the equation of n. And c equals 10, which is the constant here. Of n equals negative p, that is negative 3. This is 3 power 2 minus 4 times 1 times 9 divided by 2 times 1. So from here, n equals negative 3 plus or minus square root of this is 9 minus 36. And this is divided by 2. So from here, we have n equals negative 3 plus or minus square root of 9 minus 36, this is negative 27, divided by 2. So from here, we can have this equals negative 3 plus or minus, we have square root of negative 1 times square root of 27 divided by 2. So from here, I have n equals negative 3 plus or minus square root of negative 1 here is I. So I have I times square root of 27 divided by 2. So from here, we have this is negative 3 plus or minus I times square root of 27. This is 9 times 3 divided by 2. So from here, I have n equals negative 3 plus or minus I times this is square root of 9 times square root of 3 divided by 2. This equals negative 3 plus or minus I times square root of 9. That's 3 root 3 divided by 2. So from here, if n equals, I can factor 3 over 2. Negative 1 plus or minus I times root 3. So we ended up having two complex values for n. My n2 will be 3 over 2 of negative 1 plus I root 3. And my n3 will be 3 over 2 of negative 1 minus I root 3. These are the two complex values for n. And we have one real value for n, which is n equals 3. And this was the same value we got by actually comparing the bases since the exponents are the same, which is this one here. Now you can decide to check or verify if you so wish. We have n equals 3. N power 3 equals 27. And our n is 3. We have 3 power 3 equals 27. So 3 power 3 is 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27. This is 27 equals 27. So guys, that is it. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you and goodbye.